Hey guys. Okay, so earlier this week, a client approached me to see if we could help him with a bit of detective work. More specifically, he wanted help to try and find out when a structure had appeared on a property. Now, in going through all of the different resources that we have access to, I accidentally stumbled across what I'm coining the Stingymans Nearmap. So essentially, it's a free aerial photo program that takes you back in time so that you can see how a property has evolved in more recent years. Now, I thought, hey, if this tool is going to benefit us as stingy people who don't want to fork out money for Nearmap, then there is a good chance that it's going to benefit you guys out there too. So I thought, hey, why don't I use this week's video to share this tool with you? So let's jump behind the computer and let me show you what I found. Okay, so you guys may recall that a little while ago, I'm not sure when, maybe a year or so ago, I recorded a video that talked about Queensland Globe. Now, at the time, I introduced this program to you as a way of accessing more recent sort of aerial photos. Well, as I said, the other day, I discovered that this program can do so much more. Now, once you actually get into the program, just Google it, Queensland Globe, pretty self-explanatory, jump in, use the search feature up here to find the address you want. Once you're in it, what you need to do is come down here to this little clock thing. Past imagery. Oh, so innocent, hiding down the bottom there. So powerful. Okay, so I do need to put a disclaimer out there. I haven't had much of a chance to play around with this system yet, so I'm sure there's still more potential, or I'm sure there's better ways of doing things. But what I have discovered so far is when you click on that little clock, you get all of the years open up here in front of you down the bottom. Now, if you click on one of those years, let's say 2016, you then see each of the various months that the photos were taken. So in 2016, we can see that a photo was taken in January, March, June, and July. Now, if you click on that photo, you then need to come down to this little eye symbol, and boom, if it works correctly, it should change the photo. There you go. So as you can see, we've now jumped from the most recent aerial photo, which I believe is like 2020, back to the 28th of June, 2016. Now, what you need to do is you turn that off to go back to the original, and you come back here to back 2016. Let's just say we want to go March. Click on it. Again, the eye symbol, give it a sec, and it should load. Unfortunately, not the best quality image, but you get the idea. You basically go back through until you find the images you want. Now, the final thing I just want to quickly mention here is I've had a few issues where I've been trying to layer photo up over the top of photo over the top of photo. It got to one point there where it wasn't quite changing. I haven't worked out what the issue was, but what I have worked out as a workaround, you get what I'm trying to say here, is you can click on this Add as Layer button. Now what that does is it adds it up here. So essentially you could populate in your top however many aerial photos and you just click between them to see how things have changed over time. So that's another way of sort of saving your results, I guess I'd say, and making it easier to jump between the different points in time. So yeah, I think that probably covers off everything I want to talk to you about today. In short, you've got access to all the different years. Let's go back again. So you can see 2020 down to 2000. Oh, let's see, actually just go back further. Oh my goodness. That is magical. I didn't even, I had only clicked on that first page until just now. And I'm seeing all these other photos. Oh, this is gonna be so much better than I imagined. Oh my goodness, this has made my day, my week. Maybe even my month. That's sad, I know. So yeah, in theory, you can go back, what did I say, 1936 I saw before? Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna get over this. Just give me a moment. So yeah, you can go back, click on it. In theory, it then populates whatever month you've got. Click on it, click the eye symbol to load it, unclick the eye symbol to take it away to go back to the base image, load it in layers. Yeah, oh, that's so magical. Anyway, I'm going to leave you guys to play with that one. Hopefully it does give you some more images to be able to use day to day in your work. Okay, I think that covers off everything I want to talk about, as I always say. Until next time, thanks for watching.
For all you red tape lovers out there, I have one thing to say. Well, no, actually, I've got three. Number one, the advice provided in these videos is general in nature. It's not site specific. You would be a silly Billy to go and make financial decisions based on this advice without first checking with the town planner. Don't be a silly Billy. Number two, Brisbane town planning is in no way linked to Brisbane City Council. The views expressed in these videos are my own, not council's. So if you don't like them, blame me, not council. Number three, what was my number three? Oh yeah, the views expressed in these videos are accurate at the time of recording. If you're watching this video back 10 years from now, the views may not be so accurate. That's all.